Hey guys, it's Skylar Rose YT here. I just wanted to introduce you to somebody. This is Buttons. She is my beautiful kitty. She's a really old girl though. Hey. You nuzzling my hand, huh? You nuzzling my hand? Is that what you're doing? Are you nuzzling my hand? What? 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 Hey, watch your claws. Hey, where you going? Huh? Where you going? Get back here. Come here. Hi. Hello, pretty girl. Hi. Yeah, she's almost 15 years old, so she's an old girl, but she's a good girl. She's a really good girl. Buttons. Hello. Ah, you're shedding. You're shedding. You're shedding so much. Bet you all wish you could have a cat like this. She is wicked friendly. Hey, what are you doing, you goofball? What are you doing? Put your head down like that? What the heck? You weird cat. I've seen you sleep at weird angles, and now I've seen you want to be pet at weird angles. What? What? Are you a good kitty? Huh? Oh, you want to come down? Huh? You get, oh, hey, watch the claws. What? What, pretty girl? What? What, you just want attention? Is that what you want? Is that what you want? Ah, your nose is so cold. Ah! Yeah, I love you anyways. So anyway, guys, that's my cat. I might upload more videos of her at a later time. I wish I could have uploaded videos of her when she was like a kitten, but unfortunately I didn't have my phone back then, so yeah, this is Buttons. Yes, here's my Buttons. She's actually a calico tortoiseshell mix. But she is a beautiful kitty. Buttons. Hey. Hello. You say bye-bye. You say bye? Yeah, the light's kind of in her eyes. Sorry, Buttons. You don't mean to have the light in your eyes. Yeah, she says bye.